Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a photo shoot with Misbehave Girls and I have to do my makeup and my hair and everything like that. So I figured I'd show you guys how I get photo shoot ready. And I just woke up. My hair is very, I have bedhead right now. So I'm going to hop in the shower, dry my hair, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I took a shower, I blow dried my hair, I brushed my hair, I washed my face, and I brushed my teeth. So now that that's all done, I'm going to do my makeup, and then after that I'm going to do my hair, and then, oh, and I also got changed. And then I'm going to put my shoes on, and we're going to leave. And getting my stuff together. So that's the game plan. Okay, so now I'm going to start my makeup. Oh, also don't mind this little red thing on my nose. It's a cut. They're not pimples, I just have really long nails at the moment. They keep cutting my face. And my arm, apparently. Focus on my arm.
Okay, one more.
Okay, I'm just gonna clip my hair back. Okay, I look like an alien. I have 15 minutes to do everything, and that's not a lot of time. So, I'm gonna start by spraying my face with Mary Badescu. Miss a spot. Okay. I don't use foundation ever, so I'm just gonna use concealer under my eyes and on this bad boy right there. Okay. As always, I'm going to be linking all the products I use in the description box down below, so make sure you go check those out. Now I'm just going to put more concealer on my nose cut because it looks really bad at the moment. Okay, well that's the best we're going to get with concealer. And now, the lighting is a little off right here, but so now that the lighting's fixed, thank you mommy, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one has glow. Okay, so now there's some in the cap. Take this part of the beauty blender, dab it in. Okay, so my powder's all done, and now I'm going to move on to bronzer, and I'm using my Hoola bronzer. So I'm going to just use that lightly. Okay, my face is all bronzed now, and I'm gonna move on to blush. Okay, blush is all done. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to move on to mascara, and I'm using a little tip for mascara is first, I use two different types of mascara. The first layer that I use is always a thin brush, and it's usually from Benefit because Benefit has really thin brushes. And then the second layer is a thicker brush, which is usually from Too Faced because I have the Better Than mascara, and another one from them, and they have really thick brushes. So a little tip that makes your lashes a little longer is first use a thin brush and then use a thicker brush. So now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to put on highlighter and then lipstick, and then I'm done. Okay, so my makeup's all done. This is what it looks like. Just so windy. Okay, so it's pretty basic, but now I'm just gonna get my stuff together, and then if I have time, I'll start curling my hair in here, which I doubt I'm going to. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pack everything. Okay, so I got all my bags together, and then I got all of my shoes together. Well, opposite way around, but it's okay. And now I'm gonna get all my hair stuff together since I have to curl my hair in the car. Yay. So this is my cabinet. Rock your hair. I'm gonna bring this, which is the detangler. This, my mini dry shampoo, and then this is my hairspray. I have my curling iron, which I'm also bringing because I have to curl my hair, like I said. So, game plan. Okay. Let's head to the car. So, I'm in the car now, and I'm going to curl my hair. And we have quite a bit of a drive. It's like an hour. It is currently around 8:30. So that's where we're headed now. Going to curl my hair. And I will see you guys when my hair is all curled. Okay, so I curled this part of my hair. Sorry, this is very shadowy right now. But I curled this part, and then I have all of this to do still. So, yay. Okay, so my hair is basically all curled, and the lighting is really bad. Again, just not gonna get good lighting ever in the car, but it's okay. And I just have to touch up a few pieces, and then I'll be ready. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna tilt my camera down. Yes, my curl hair looks like kind of wavy and not as like, it's more of like beach waves than curls, I would say. So I'm just gonna touch up like a few pieces in the front, and then I'll be ready. So my hair is all curled, and I did it all in the car, so I'm really proud of myself. Alright, so that is it for my photo shoot Get Ready With Me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I post. And yeah, see you guys next time.